Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Osama Plays. Today we will be playing Mass Effect 2. Let's just go OMG, wow, no, that should not happen.
Thanks for the assist, Chief.
Halo.
The following video's audio settings were a little fucked up because my good microphone, this piece of shit, decided to not record for it and I was left with nothing but my backup mic on my camera. I didn't want to scrap the video entirely, so I decided to salvage it as best as I could and try to make it bearable. If it sounds a little off, you know why. Don't come to this channel expecting high quality content. That's not what we do here. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video.
Where is he?
Fuck! Mail's here. Hey, how's it going everybody? Welcome to a different sort of video. It's not really a big one. It's really more of a shit post. Today, I'm opening a package that my friend and boss, Matt Watson, sent me. I am not sure what's in it. He said it was sort of a late birthday gift. And I will say, Matt nor Ryan did actually get me a gift this year for my birthday, so... You guys fuck with the set though? I got the green screen now, I got the table, that's about it. Okay, well let's get this thing open. For Matt, I am going to open this with the katana. That's genuine. Nice. Oh boy. Oh. This is, what is this? I'm assuming it's some sort of toilet-related thing. Yeah, I would say that's a toilet.
That's right, this is a portable emergency toilet made by Kenyu in Japan. They retail for about $3 and are basically just little bags for you to shit in if needed. You can also buy the matching poncho for about $8 if you want to keep it low-key. I'd give you a demo, but I think I'll save that for a different video. Thanks, Matt.
Okay, what's next? Why? Why? Like, why? Still more goodies.
This seems to be some sort of Arabic children's tape. Let me see if I can find a cassette player and we'll check this out.
והחל רץ מהר, בא לכפר, מצא הבית שבו גרו אבא אמא של משה, עמד ודפק על השער.
What the fuck? Okay, oh, we got some wintergreen Tic Tacs that are mostly gone. Thanks, bud. That's very, very, very kind of you. This is a pill that says alive. Why? There's more goodies. There's more goodies. Oh, it's a Werther's original piece of candy. Do I want to eat this? Yeah, I'm not gonna fucking eat that. Oh, we got some pennies. Another pill that says alive. I'm assuming this is taking off all the money that they owe me for editing right now. So, I guess I'll deduct 2 cents. Oh, wait. Ooh! Ooh! Ooh-wee! 5 cents. We're really rolling in the dough now, folks. Shit. Getting pretty... It's another one of the fucking alive pills. I don't want... We got a super mega tote bag. So that's pretty sweet. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use this for, but... Thanks. And a couple... Oh! Oh. I can't show that on YouTube. Well, I can show this one. This is Jingle All the Way 2 with Larry the Cable Guy.
Get her done!
I really don't want this, Matt. I don't I don't want this. I don't want this in my house. I'm not gonna say thank you for this. Well, that seems to be it from the Matt Watson package. Just a quick little shit post to hold you guys over before I start doing, you know, the bigger stuff. I'm not sure what I want to start uploading here on this channel, but I know I want to start uploading more. Thank you for watching, and